Assalamu alaikum and good morning again to all of my students and whoever is watching this video right now. I hope and pray that you all are in very good health and enjoying yourself, enjoying the beautiful, amazing day and a blessed Ramadan. So we are in a numeracy class right now, and we are learning about shapes, a little more about shapes, to know more about shapes. So today I'm just going to tell you and show you the ones which we have already done and do a little more exercises, right? Okay, so I'm just going to show you this. This is our page from the Maths Wise book 2. See, so they have got like some shapes over here, and I hope you know them. They are flat shapes. They look at these shapes. They are flat. Yesterday, the shapes we saw were 3D shapes. We can have a look at the different dimensions of the shapes, but we have these flat shapes, and I am just going to, I want you to have a look at the flat shapes as well. So I'm just going to show you one by one. So yes, this is a circle, a flat shape. If you just put your hand on it, this is flat from back even and from front. This has no dimension, right? This is called a flat shape. So in which we have a circle, then we have a square. This is also flat, right? This is also flat, see? You cannot see anything behind that. So the square, this is also a flat shape. Then we have this rectangle, right? This is also flat, right? So I'm showing you the flat shapes over here. Okay, then we have this triangle, right? Now this triangle is also flat. So these are the flat shapes. We saw two-dimensional and three-dimensional shapes before, and we did this before even. So I'm just going to have a look at them again, and we'll do a little of exercise. So these are the flat shapes. So if I'll try to fix it over here, maybe. And then we have got oval, right? A flat oval shape. If this will be an egg, this will have the dimensions, but this is a flat shape. Okay, so if I can fix it over here as well. Okay, then just quickly, pentagon, because these have 5 sides. This is a pentagon. Then we have this shape. It has got 6 sides, and this is called hexagon. This is with 5, and this is with 6 sides, hexagon. And then this is with 8 sides, and this is octagon. Okay. So these are all the flat shapes, which we call them, because they have got no dimension. They're only flat, right? See, they look like a flat. Okay, so they are like this, and they have showed you with, you can draw them following the arrows. Okay, so this has got 3 sides, square has got 4 sides, 4 equal sides, circle does not have sides, this is one stroke, round, oval has even no sides, but this has got a different shape than the circle. Rectangle has even 4 sides, but not all equal. These 2 are equal and these 2 are equal, right? Okay, that's great. So I want you to ask you to take out your Maths Wise book 2. Yes, this one. And take out page number 21. Yes, all of you take out page number 21. Well, this looks like a house, doesn't this? Yeah, you can make a door and make a little window, or over here and make a chimney here. Yay. Okay, so we're here on this page number 21. Okay, this says that match the shapes. Now they've given the shape, like, and then they've given a symbol on the shape. Like circle has tick, square has this plus shape, oval has this cross shape, triangle has this parallel lines equals to, and then the rectangle has this black dot. Now, whatever shape you're going to see, you're going to give the symbol to that shape, right? So we will get to know that you know the shape. Okay, so let's see if you talk about this square, right? Now, what symbol the square has? What symbol you're going to give over here? Which is the symbol for square? Yes, this is the plus sign, this. So you're going to make the plus sign over here. Good, okay. Now, what is this shape? Which shape is this? Oval. Now, oval has which symbol on it? Yes, oval has a cross symbol on it. So you're going to make a cross over here under the oval. Yes, that's great. So remember again, circle has tick, square has this plus sign, oval has this cross sign, rectangle has this parallel sign, which we say is equal to, and rectangle has a black dot. Okay, so here the circle has tick, the square has plus, and the oval has cross. Okay, now we're going to see the sandwich. Which shape does this sandwich has? Triangle. And what is the symbol for the triangle? Is equal to. There are two parallel lines like this. Like this is equal to. Now these two parallel lines are is equal to. Okay, that's great. So you're going to put is equal to over here like this. Very good. Good, okay. Now next one is rectangle. Now what is the symbol for rectangle? Yes, it's a black dot. Yeah, that's a black dot like this. So you're going to put a black dot in this circle. That's good, very good. Okay, now then, which shape is this? Circle. Now what is the symbol for circle? Tell me quickly, look at the circle. Yes, it's a tick. So you're going to make a tick over here like this and like this. Okay, that's great. Then we have got square. Square has which symbol? Plus, yes. Square has a plus symbol, so you're going to put it over here. That's great. Then what is next? No, this is not oval. This is also circle, yes. So which symbol is for circle? It's a tick, right tick. Okay, that's great. And then what do we have? A triangle, yes. Triangle has, yes, it has got parallel lines is equal to, so you're going to put that over here. That's great, okay. So check your symbol with the shapes. Are they all correct? Yes, quickly check the symbols. Okay, that's great, that's great. Okay, now turn the page and come up on page number 22. Yes, come up on page number 22. Very good, very good. Very nice. Okay, what do you see over here? Shapes, yes, there are shapes, but there is something different with these shapes. And we have to find the difference. We have to look for the different object, the different shape, and we have to find the odd one out, right? Okay, now look at this. Now, which shape is this? Circle. Yeah, that's great. And then which shape is this? This is of circle. What about this? Circle. What about this? Circle. What about this? Is it a circle? No, that's a triangle. Yeah, that's a triangle. So what is different over here? Yeah, that's great. It's a triangle. So we're going to take the odd one out. So we are going to make a tick over here because this is a circle. 1, 2, 3, this is a circle, and this is the odd one out. So we're going to make a tick on that. That's great. Very good. Okay, quickly do it. Yeah. Yeah, That's good. You find it out. Okay, which shape is this now? Okay, that's a square, square, square. Very good. Oval. Yeah, that's an oval. So what are we going to do? We find the odd one out. So we're going to take the odd one out. Okay, that's great. Good. You can do it. Wow. Okay, now let's go on to the next shape. Which one is this? Rectangle. Yeah, that's a rectangle. What about this? Rectangle, rectangle, rectangle. Oops. Circle. That's great. So are you going to take this or this? This, yeah. So you're going to take the circle because that's the odd one out. Wow, that's great. Okay, now we have got a triangle. Yay. Then what is this? Another triangle, then another triangle, another triangle. Wow. That's an oval. Oh, that's the odd one out. Yeah, that's great. So you're going to take this odd one out because that's an oval. I hope you're enjoying this. Okay, so the last one is an oval, 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 and rectangle. That's great. Lovely. Okay, so we are going to take this. Good. Very good. Okay, that's great. So page number 23, you're going to do for your homework. You're just going to trace the dotted lines over here, and which you are going to enjoy. And I hope you can do this on your own, right? This is very easy for you. You can do this on your own. Okay, that's great. So this was our numeracy class, and we all learned about shapes and the odd one out. We find the odd one out, and that was really good. It's a very good game. Everybody enjoys this odd one out. Even elders enjoy these kind of games in which they have to find something different. Okay, so this was our numeracy class, and I hope you have enjoyed it. I'm going to say goodbye from this class now, and I'll see you in the next class. And then a little reminder to wash your hands frequently. Okay, so see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever you have. Okay, bye bye. See you soon.